Welcome, gentlemen. This is your host, Tony, and you are tuning into Evolving Minds Personal Growth for a Better Tomorrow. We are here to navigate the path to becoming the best versions of ourselves. We all have that untapped potential within us to grow, change, and evolve. I hope you're as eager as I am to take this transformative journey. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I'm not where I want to be in life? I wish I could do better. Or, if only I could turn back time. These are signs that you are ready for growth. Each one of us is a work in progress, and every new day brings opportunities to improve. Today, we delve into the realm of change. Change, even though a bit uncomfortable, is the key to growth. It threatens our comfortable status quo and pushes us out of our comfort zones. But that's where growth happens. Consider this metaphor. You're a raw block of marble, unpolished, rough around the edges. Hidden within that block is a statue, a masterpiece waiting to be unveiled. It requires effort, patience, and a touch of discomfort. But isn't the result worth it? Now replace that block of marble with your mind, and the statue with the improved version of yourself. The process of sculpting is much like your personal growth journey. It will be challenging, even uncomfortable. But the result, a refined version of you, is worth the effort. After all, the view from the top is the most rewarding. Gentlemen, growth is not a linear process. There will be setbacks, obstacles, and failures. The key is to get up, dust yourself off, and move forward. In the coming weeks, we'll dig deeper into this topic. But for now, ponder on the changes you wish to make in your life. What is the masterpiece hidden within you, waiting to be revealed? What steps can you take to start the transformation? On this note, let's wrap up for today. Thank you for being a part of this journey towards personal growth. Each step towards self-improvement is a victory, so keep growing, keep evolving. I'll see you in the next episode. And remember, you are listening to Evolving Minds Personal Growth for a Better Tomorrow with your host, Tony. Stay tuned for our next conversation on personal development. If this episode resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and loved ones.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.